come to Hatyai and it's like late morning. They do have burgers. They do have fresh fruits. Travel agencies. There's a travel agency here with money exchange. We're going to book a guided tour to Singapore or other places in Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, Laos or Cambodia. Another fruit stand selling is mostly pineapple, papaya. Grandma's favorite, she would like the papaya and pineapple. Always go on a guided tour. Never travel alone. Go on a guided tour so it's fulfill worth your time, place, money, everything, your program, your travel packages. It's a bit of a regret traveling to Penang alone, traveling to Hatyai solo. Mom promised to take me to Bangkok last time. Promised to take grandma to Bangkok, Thailand, and Rain failed on her promises and really defeats the meaning of the word promise. She can promise the sky, promise the heaven, but still we didn't go anywhere. It was a disappointment. In fact, I have to bring myself to Thailand for the first time. Even my own. Find a more productive job instead of trying to wait for passengers that don't want your services or your journey or transportation. I'm within walking distance. Look for real European tourists or international tourists. Stop trying to look for idiot passengers or individual that is within walking distance. You all guys need to find a more productive job. Maybe as a lemonade, open a lemonade stand. Open a lemonade stand. Open, in Thai terms, open a Thai milk tea stand. Or a tom yum soup stand. Anything. No use waiting almost the whole day doing nothing, playing with your phone and waiting for passengers that are less likely to be needing your transport because they are already at their destination or they are within walking distances at their destination. Yeah, so there are many of you that need to find a more productive job because a lot of you are waiting for the sky and the heaven to open, waiting almost the whole day. It's quite a little bit pushy and imposing as compared to Singapore and Malaysia. That's where it says travel agencies like this, where you definitely there are guided tour packages instead of being left alone to explore on your own terms, which may cause you to feel lonely or uncertain in a foreign land. Okay, these are like Singapore, they have the duck tours. In Thailand, they have the tour vans to take you to various places of interest, especially the important religious sites, museums, theme parks, national parks. This is exactly the area where my tour bus disembarked us, tourists or travelers here. And then I lost my tour guide. And ever since yesterday, I'm all alone. My tour group disembarked here, my tour bus disembarked here to welcome us into Hatyai, Thailand. And then I don't know what I did. I asked where's the ATM machine, and then after that I lost my tour guide. And I'm all alone in a foreign land. This is exactly my tour bus stopped us here at Coachland Enterprise and Tours. We were supposed to travel, or I was thinking I was traveling on a guided tour. My tour bus, my tour group, that may take us to all the places of interest in Hatyai and to our hotel. But I lost my tour group. And of course, this is what happens. And ever since I've been touted by taxis that I do not, ever since I crossed the international border between Malaysia and Thailand, I have taxis coming to me instead of me like the normal way in my own country to flag for a cab. This is a upside down, the other way around. In India and Thailand, they have the auto rickshaws, especially in Bangkok and New Delhi. In Indonesia, they have the Bajaj. It's also a form of taxi service. Hatyai is popular in Chinese and Malay culture. There's a lot of Chinese temples compared to Thai wats. Hatyai is like an extension of Singapore and Malaysia in some aspects. Do you really feel like you are in Thailand or still more like in Malaysia? This is another tour agency to book a tour to Malaysia and Singapore. I actually booked a tour. I don't know if it's a package tour or a loose cannon tour to Singapore. So we explore Tai Seng. The destination is Tai Seng, Singapore. From Hatyai, Thailand to Tai Seng, Singapore. And then we have this, another junction, Sakura or Tanon Niyom Rat. All these are the flags of all the countries in the nations in Southeast Asia, namely Myanmar, Thailand, Indonesia, the Philippines, Vietnam, Cambodia, which is ripped off